we're going to take a closer look at the Images button in Cricut Design Space. Let's click on Images. And to start off with, you're just going to see all of the different images in Cricut Design Space, and there's a lot of them. The ones that have the little A in the upper left corner, they are ones that are available through Cricut Access, which you can do a monthly or annual fee to have access to all of those images. Otherwise, there'll be a price down here that tells you how much just that image costs. Also, if you click on the little eye, it tells you this specifically is the magic unicorn. Here's the code number. You could just buy this one image. Or if you want to see other related images, you click on this Maker's Guide to Make. It'll show you other kind of suggestions of other things that you might also like. So then you can also go to categories and see just what's free this week, what's the most popular, what's new, or what is divided by different categories or designers or brands. Or you can go to cartridges. Back before Cricut Design Space existed, people had to purchase physical cartridges at the store, and you would insert that cartridge, kind of like putting a CD in a disc in a computer. And the cartridges usually had a theme. So this cartridge is called 3D Animal Heads. So guess what? They're all 3D animal heads. If you want to look at just the images for those, you can see that. And now if you just wanted to make a lion's head, you could just pay $1.99 for that image. Or if you like all of them, you could buy the whole cartridge for $12.99. Now you see there's A's here. That stands for the Cricut Access again. So all the images for this entire cartridge are included in Access. What if we wanted to search for an image? Let's go back to Images and type in sun and hit the search. This shows us all of the suns or the images that have a sun in them that are available. So if you find one you like, you can buy the one, or maybe you want to take a deeper look at that and check out the full cartridge to see if you like all of it. But what if you don't want to spend any money and you're like, I know I own some things, I just want to see what I own? Well, then you can go under the filter, go to My Images. And now this is filtering just to images that I have already purchased and paid for and mine to use that are a sun. You can also filter by Cricut Access or just what's free, project types, single layer, multi-layer. So a single layer image would be one like this, which is all one cut. And a multi-layer would be something like this one right here, because there's going to be a layer for the yellow and a layer for the orange. Another thing to do with the images is click this grid, and now it makes the previews smaller so you can see more per page. I hope you learned something new about using images.